So so we're back in the greenhouse, just checking up on the King Stropharia mushrooms that we inoculated into the straw here, and I've just had a quick peek, and it looks like it's established really well. So you can see that white mycelium inside the straw there. It's all the way through here, really thick by the soil, which bodes well for mushroom growth in the next couple of months, I think. So yeah, we'll keep you updated. I think I can even see little mushrooms forming in there, and the smell is amazing.